What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove and reinstall this rear liftgate panel, also known as an applique, for this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. All right, we're gonna open the liftgate. Now we wanna remove these Phillips head screws. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Get those out. Just gonna pull down right here, pull down here. You can use a trim tool and get underneath there. Pull it down a little bit. It's not gonna come out all the way. I have to release the lift glass right here. Release that, and there's a section right here over this latch. So I kind of need to push it out. As I push it out, just lift it over. And I can slide this panel right out of the way, just like that. Right, there's some nuts that we need to take out. There's two right here. And then if you look in these outer holes, there's gonna be two right there. I'll use an 11mm socket, extension, and a ratchet. Take this last nut out. We're gonna disconnect the electrical connector right here. Just grab the button, slide it out, just like that. So there's some of these retainers that are holding that panel on. So I'm just gonna take a straight blade screwdriver on this one and push. There's something else to push it up. It's kind of hard to get the inside one in this. In here there's one, so you just use some real nose pliers, squeeze it together, push it up a little. And there's two more over here. One here. Try to release them and push them through. And just slide the weather strip up a little bit, and then just grab this. And just pull. Those retainers are stuck. These two little white retainers. I'll just take a little pick and get in behind that side of the retainer. It's the screwdriver. And just try to push it through. Oh, that's why. I have to go sideways, not from the front and back. Yeah, so if I squeeze it to the side, I can push it through. Same with this one. The rubber grommet right here. Just take our screwdriver, slide it, and push it through for the wiring harness. And carefully slide this down. I can grab it, pull it up. Here's those retainers. These you squeeze to the side, those ones up and down. Right there. We'll just slide this connector through the hole there. And this little rubber grommet, just push it in. Just like that, so that's secure. You can line up all the retainers and the studs. There's a little guide right there and right there. Those go in those little holes up there. Once you get those lined up, and everything else should kind of lined up. That's good. And just give it a push. We'll open this. I can reconnect the connector at this time. Take the nuts and use an 11mm socket and extension. Just get these all started. Once those are all started, I'll just take my ratchet and just snug these up. All right, we want to take this panel. We want to slide this part over the latch right here. So with that lift glass open, slide that over. Once that's slid over, try to get these push retainers in. And those are all lined up. Just put these 4 screws in using a Phillips head screwdriver. All right. Close that. Make sure that's good.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.